How's it going, senior demons? Hope you're having a good Friday so far. Thanks again for all of you, not just the class captains, but for everybody for keeping that intensity up, making sure that you're still dedicating yourself to this course and to each other, and especially as you were doing that group website project. The purpose of this warm up is just to be able to kind of get together with your group and create a couple of SMART goals. Remember, the acronym for SMART is right up on the screen here. And hopefully, Kaylee and James and Harry already took you through this. If not, go ahead and pause and with your group create a couple of SMART goals so that you can utilize that first 20 minutes effectively, because we do have one other thing we're going to be getting to today. Alright guys, so for today, just like last time, the main thing we're going to be doing is finishing up with that website. So we're going to be discussing freedom of speech with your topics specifically related to public education. So without further ado, just as a review here, today we are going to be putting some finishing touches on your website. Hopefully you had a chance to be able to go into it last class. You had a nice long class to be able to do that. It will be due on Monday at the beginning of class. I'll be back. We will be going over that. And we'll also be sharing your websites with each other so we can learn about what you guys have done. The grading is also on here. It's also on your 3-14 assignment, so make sure that you realize that grading. But I'm really looking forward to being able to see your finished products. So keep that intensity up, and you guys got this. As a reminder, we've got these roles here. So hopefully you are including all of these information related to your role. And then if you only have either 2 or if you have 4 people in your group, it has some information down here as far as how you can divide that up. But remember, your topics are based off of part 2 on 3-13. Got some information from last time as far as how to create that site. You guys should have that. Your works cited. Make sure that you're using the EasyBib add-on if you'd like some assistance on MLA formatting for your works cited. But I do want you to try to shoot for that so that hopefully you can have a MLA works cited that looks something like this. Okay. So the first 20 minutes is going to be based on that, and the last 20 minutes is going to be getting onto Common Lit. You don't need to do anything in its learning. You're going to be going to the article that's called the Bill of Rights in a Changing America, and you're going to be going through the article, answering those guided reading questions, as well as answering those multiple choice questions at the end, which is called the assessment. So it's going to be asking as far as like the overall theme, the main idea, some evidence, etc., etc. So as long as you can complete all the way through that assessment, even if you totally bomb that assessment, you'll get full credit just for trying. So thank you guys very much for doing that. And again, you do not need to do anything in its learning for this. You're just going to do that all on Common Lit. If for whatever reason you can't remember your Common Lit password, no fear. There is an article that is available. The sub actually will have that article that can email you that article. Otherwise, we can take care of it when I get back on Monday. So hopefully you can get onto your Common Lit. It should reset your password as long as you put in your email. So that's another thing that you can try to do. But that's where you're going to be able to do this article. Depending on who you have, I believe you might have Mr. Jolly. He should be able to have access to the article that you can go ahead and just complete the questions in your notebook. But if not, not a big deal. All right, guys, thank you very much. Great job and have a fantastic weekend. See you guys.